Okay, this is a short video of how to start the workshops. So we've assumed that you've installed Anaconda. So how would you start Anaconda? Basically, if you go to the Start menu on Windows and you type Anaconda prompt, this will launch Anaconda. If you are on Mac, you can simply just use a terminal. After I launch Anaconda, I'm at the base environment. So the base environment is something that we avoid using because any changes to it will affect your whole Anaconda installation, and it can cause Anaconda's installation to become corrupted if you've installed incorrect Python packages. So if you have followed the setup instructions, you would have created an MLDDS environment. So I'm going to go into that environment now. I type a conda activate, and now I can see that I'm in that environment. The next step is to go to the folder that you have downloaded your course hardware, course software. So I happen to put everything under the C drive, DFEML folder, and I can see I have all my content here. So if I want to go to module 1, I can see that I have my homework and my workshop. So rather than going into the folders, I can use Jupyter to do the navigation. So what I will do is I will type Jupyter Notebook in the top level folder of DFEML. So this folder will be able to show me everything that's under this folder, including the homework and the workshop. So if I always use this path, then I don't need to switch around inside the terminal, which can be quite difficult if you're not used to using the terminal. After Jupyter Notebook has been launched, you should see a browser window using the default browser. If you are using Internet Explorer on Windows, you should set something else like Chrome or Microsoft Edge or Firefox as the default browser. Internet Explorer doesn't work very well with Jupyter. But if you are on any other browser, more modern browser, you should be okay. So if I want to go into module 1, I can just simply click into the folder and I can open anything I want. So this is how you would launch the first workshop